Hi, I'm Catherine with English Travels, and today we're going to talk about some ways that you can enlarge your English vocabulary. This mistake that so many English speakers make is it is the most common word that English speakers say, and today I'm going to teach you how to use the word very a lot less and how to expand your vocabulary and add more depth into the words that you're saying. Before we get started, I want you to listen to this sentence and see if you can hear the difference. Your dog is very cute. Very normal, easy English sentence that you would hear. Let's hear it with a better word, for instance, adorable. Your dog is adorable. Do you hear how much more depth and meaning there is when you say your dog is adorable versus your dog is very cute? Let's get started. If you want to learn how to enlarge your English vocabulary and how to sound more like a native speaker, watch till the end. First one is the most common. Students often say very good. This class is very good. This book is very good. The food is very good. My water is very good. Everything is very good or very bad. So how can we replace this word good? I will give you other words that you can use to replace the word good. For example, great. This class is great. How about brilliant? You are brilliant. This text is brilliant. Fantastic. The food is fantastic. Excellent. Your writing is excellent. The food is excellent. My coffee is excellent. Amazing. You look amazing. Not, you look very good. Students often say, that's very bad or that's very good. We want to use more English than very bad and very good. We want to use some real, in-depth English vocabulary. One way you can improve very bad, you can use words like, oh, that's awful, or that's horrible, that's atrocious. For instance, I have so much homework, it's so horrible, right? I have so much homework, it's awful. Instead of that smells very bad, you could say that smells awful, that smells horrible, that smells atrocious. The next one people say all the time is very happy. How can we replace this phrase very happy? You could say I'm excited to be here, or I'm thrilled. This is so exciting, I am so thrilled. So those are some other examples. Like we said before with the dog, you can replace very cute with adorable, darling, precious. So your dog is adorable. Your baby is so precious. This really elevates your English and will bring your English from an intermediate to an advanced level. If there is one key recommendation I have for you today, it's cut out the word very and replace it with a better, stronger English word. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe. It really, really helps my channel and I really appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next video, and if you have any recommendations for what you are struggling with English or any ideas for the next video, please comment down below. We'll catch you in the next one. Thanks, guys.